Here's something people don't think about. You can actually run your engine while the boat is high and dry in the boatyard. The key ingredient is water. You need water to get to the engine to cool all of the heat exchangers and also to cool the exhaust pipe, which is not really a pipe, but a rubber hose. Anybody's been around engines long enough, you can tell by the sound that that is a Detroit diesel, probably a 71 series. And looking at this big 53-foot motor yacht, Hatteras motor yacht, it's probably an 8V71. Do not know the horsepower. But if you need to test run your engine while your boat's high and dry, you bring a water hose to the cooling system and run it at idle. To learn more about boatyard tricks and tips, look us up on the internet. Ask Captain Chris.